If you clicked on this video, maybe you and or your family, friends, extended friends are like us, really tough on phones. I can't even remember how many we've lost by dropping, pitching across the room for some strange reason, turning around, whatever it is. All innocent. Nobody has attacked anybody with a phone yet. Hopefully that'll never occur. That set me on this quest. And the quest was how to make my phones more survivable, more durable. The first thing you do, obviously, is you get some sort of wrapper. Okay, and that's good, but you still could crack your phone. And the other thing was, phones and wallets and everything you have to carry on a daily basis kind of get to be a pain. 3 years ago, I decided to try this. I'll post links to the videos down here and up there. I did a leather backing of a smartphone and then this elastic one. The elastic one wins the day over the leather one. Although this is kind of more Gucci and nice, it was limiting and it just seemed to not do as well as the Lycra version. I'll post all these products down below, again, in case you're interested. And one of the things about this phone, this is a Pixel 7, is you got this little area up here that's raised on the phone. And so having something like this, I used to have only like 4 cards. Now I have 6. So that keeps it level, maybe a little slanted, and that helps. In the initial video where I was doing lanyards, I made some of my own and I was using fishing line. And the fishing line was okay, but sometimes it would have sharp edges. And so I came up with this 8mm nylon cord. I was looking at my video from a couple years ago and I kind of said that this was going to be weak. Well, it's not. And the fact that this cord is more flexible than the fishing line, I think really makes the difference on the portability of this. I also went with a thinner paracord over a period of time and preferred that, again, because it seems to be less stiff. This one here used to be as wide as this one, and I trimmed it down because I found I just needed that much to make it comfortable. If I'm having this thing and it's hanging out of a pocket, like this, more like a pants pocket, and I don't have it locked in this, but down at waist level, sometimes it would catch on knobs. Right? You can certainly put it in like this, but if you got the cord out there, it's like a ripcord on a parachute. It just makes it really easy to pull out. Now this one, I actually bought this lanyard here. That's holding up just as well as the one I made. These are still going strong. Year 3 on this, year 2 on this, and year 2 on this. I'm not kidding. Maybe hundreds of times this has fallen out of my hand, and if I didn't have the lanyard, it would have landed on concrete, tile, granite, who knows. So there you go. A quick revisit on some capabilities that I put in play years ago that are still holding up as well as the day I put them in play. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of videos about durability, making and breaking things, revisiting designs I made several years ago that are still going strong. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what great ideas that are still going strong you're gonna see.